Grow fresh herbs indoors all year round. Tired of bland store-bought herbs? Discover how to grow your own delicious fresh ingredients right in your home with this hydroponics system. This 16-pod hydroponics kit from Dryades offers a simple and efficient way to cultivate herbs, vegetables, and flowers indoors. It's perfect for gardening enthusiasts, home cooks, and anyone with limited outdoor space. The system boasts a sleek black design and is made from food-grade materials, ensuring safety and durability. It's a modern indoor garden solution that makes a great gift for any occasion. One of the standout features is the sprout mode, which allows you to start seedlings in advance. This unique double-layer design maximizes planting efficiency. The system also features adjustable LED grow lights with 3 growth modes: vegetable, flower, fruit, and sprout. These modes provide the optimal light spectrum for each stage of plant development. The ultra-quiet recirculation system ensures efficient aeration and water distribution. The automatic water pump operates at less than 20 dB, creating a peaceful environment. Setting up the Dryades Hydroponics system is a breeze. Simply assemble the kit, add water, and plant your seeds. The system includes a viewing window to easily monitor water levels and root growth. The large 7-liter water tank reduces the need for frequent refills. The adjustable sunlight bionic light panel can be raised up to 17.7 inches to accommodate plants of different sizes. The removable light pole makes cleaning and maintenance simple. Customers rave about the Dryades hydroponic system. One user mentioned a 90% germination rate with the seed incubator. Another user highlighted the easy setup and the generous supply of starting sponges and plant food. Many appreciate the compact size and quiet operation. While some users experienced issues with the sprout lights, Dryades customer service was quick to resolve the problem. Overall, the reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Ready to start your indoor garden? The Dryades Hydroponics growing system is available on Amazon. Link in description for best deal. Check out the product page for more details, customer reviews, and the latest pricing. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow fresh herbs and vegetables year-round.